Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 5. This common issue often indicates an access denied problem, meaning a program lacks the necessary permissions to perform an action. First, ensure your internet connection is stable if the error relates to online activity. Next, try running the affected application as an administrator. Right-click the program icon, select Run as Administrator, and see if the error persists. These initial checks can quickly resolve many instances of this frustrating error. Often, error code 5 stems from insufficient file or folder permissions. To address this, navigate to the problematic file or folder, right-click and select Properties. Go to the Security tab, click Edit, and grant full control to your user account or the users group. If that doesn't work, you might need to take ownership of the folder first. This ensures the application has the necessary access to operate correctly, preventing further access denied messages. Your antivirus or firewall software can sometimes mistakenly block legitimate applications, triggering error code 5. Temporarily disable your antivirus program for a few minutes to see if the error disappears. If it does, you'll need to add the application as an exception in your antivirus settings. Similarly, check your firewall rules to ensure the program isn't being blocked. Adjusting these security settings can often resolve the access issues without compromising your system's overall protection. If the previous steps haven't resolved error code 5, corrupted system files might be the culprit. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scano to run the system file checker. This tool will scan for and repair any damaged Windows files. As a final measure, consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the problematic application. Ensure you remove all residual files during uninstallation for a clean slate, which often fixes persistent software-related access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.